How to clear Instagram search history. I'm going to tell you how to fully wipe your search history so your Instagram feels fresh again. First, open the Instagram app and then go to your profile in the bottom right. Tap the three lines at the top right and then select your activity. From here, find recent searches and tap clear all. This instantly removes every search you've made. But to make sure Instagram doesn't keep showing you old suggestions, go back to the search page, long press to any profile or hashtag you're not interested in, and choose hide or not interested. You can also do this for posts and reels that show up. The more you mark them as not interested, the faster the algorithm adjusts. Clearing your search history is great for privacy, but also resets the kind of content Instagram pushes to you.